for jelly. Ribbit, hum, splash, soar. Ooh. The kangaroo in classroom says K is for keyboard. The lion in classroom says L is for ladybug. The mouse in classroom says M is for monkey. The newt in classroom says N is for needle. The owl in classroom says O is for orange. Roar, hoot, cluck, ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ah. The penguin in classroom says P is for pony. The quail in classroom says Q is for queen. The rhino in classroom says R is for rainbow. The squirrel in classroom says S is for spider. The tiger in classroom says T is for turtle. Snort, roar, grunt, whistle. The urchin in classroom says U is for umbrella. The vulture in classroom says V is for violin. The walrus in classroom says W is for watch. The fox in classroom says X